I want my fellow Yorubas to understand something, that there are some narratives that cannot easily be changed. As you know that English happens to be the official language that we have in Nigeria, and we Yorubas, we cannot do away with English language as of now. So my fellow Yorubas, sometimes we may want to pronounce some words in English. Of course, I am not the one that says that this is right, but even our leaders in Isheshe who are educated most times use these words that we say we don't like to use, such as calling Iyami witches. And as this book is, if you check this book, you will see that the Iyami are referred to as witches in this book, right? That's why you see the title, A Peep into the World of Witches. So if I personally cannot rely on the documentation of Babaraba, Yemele Bubon like this, who else do you think I can rely on? And I want to tell you that some of the information we are getting, we are doing our research to get all this information, and it is not something we can say we bring from our head. So we have to rely on the documentation of our elders. So that's exactly what I want us to understand. And if we want to change the narrative, it's not something we can just do suddenly. It has to be in a gradual process, because there are so many things that we need to talk about, more better than trying to correct the English word for some of our words. So for now, what we need is the knowledge. We are awakening our people. We want to bring back the history. We want to understand ourselves. We want to bring all the information embedded in our tradition, in our spirituality. We want to bring them forward. Then when we bring them forward, then we can easily understand how to put ourselves together and rebrand the whole practice. This is exactly what we are doing now. So you all know that the Abrahamic religions that are waging wars against our belief system in Yoruba land in Africa, you should know that they are using the power of black and white. The power of black and white is what they are using to pass their information across. Because what is written down can go far away and can easily be referred to. So what I'm doing on this platform, I do a lot of research. I've interviewed a lot of babalawos. I've interviewed a lot of lorishas, and I read books as well. As you know, and that's the reason why I sell all these books for you guys to have information. So if we cannot rely on the available documentation that we have, how else do you want us to get information? Because we cannot just come, wake up one morning and start talking from our own brain. We cannot be making things up. So we have to rely on documentation of our elders, right? Such as Babara Bayemele Buba. And I want us to at least trust to a large extent. I want us to trust our leaders in Isheshe, right? Because if we do not trust them, and we that we are the younger ones, who are we to say what they are saying is wrong, right? Because we were not there when it happened. So our elders, they are the ones that have the closest information more than us, right? So that's exactly what I want to say.